Steve's cleaning. Oh, we clean it all.
Hey, it's Steve here from Steve's Cleaning, and spring is in the air, and you know what that means? Time to clean. But don't worry, I do it all. Houses, cars, carpets, windows, power washing even. So you sit back and relax and enjoy the spring weather while I am your personal servant.
That's right, you heard correct. Your personal servant. And we do great house cleaning. A great basic clean, which is your sweeping, dusting, vacuuming, wiping down. And if your house is a real disaster, we do a great deep clean, which is disinfecting and degreasing all the doors, cupboards, all surfaces basically, inside the cupboards too, inside the drawers. No dirt will escape us. And here's me disinfecting that sink to a nice shine. Look at that glimmering shine, fantastic. And we don't forget the inside of the stove or the fridge either. And we do underneath those appliances as well. As for the bathroom, we don't just do the inside of the toilet, we do the seat, the bowl, and the tank, and the handles. No dirt is going to escape us or germ, and we get any hard to reach areas with a toothbrush. Oh yeah. And then as for the shower, we remove all the soap scum, tub rings, and caked on shampoo, etc. Nasty hair, ugh. Yeah, so it'd be great. Then we wash the floor again. Pre-treat any stubborn stains. Then we give it a good fresh mop, disinfecting and making it smell beautiful again. You're gonna love it. And if your floor is a real disaster, we do polishing. We'll polish up that floor to a nice shine. Then we apply a nice acrylic floor gloss to give it an even better shine. Carpet cleaning, carpet shampooing, we do that too. We scrub and we extract all those stains and spills and germs that are in your carpet. It's better than vacuuming. Yep. Oh, look at that. We do windows as well. How about that? We have all the professional tools. We do it like the pros. We have all the extension poles, the squeegees, everything. We even do business windows as well. Well, you know what? I also do great car detailing right at your own home. Shampooing, wash and wax. Give the interior a great vacuuming, then a good steam cleaning of all the vinyl cracks and crevices. Shampoo it all up, making it shine and gleam again. And all the cracks and crevices are done too with all the fine detailing brushes. And then take it to the upholstery. We scrub all the carpets, the seats, then extract all that dirt and soap and disgusting salt out, making those seats brand new again. Look at that before and after. Fantastic. You'll love driving your car again. And you know what? We also shampoo the leather. Leather has to be shampooed and cleaned and protected. We put a good protectant on after. And not just there, on all the vinyl as well. Your car is going to look better than new. And can't forget those mats. We shampoo and scrub those mats as well. You're going to love it. Well, might as well do the outside of the car too. We give it a great hand wash, the only way to wash your car. And then can't forget the wheels, detail all the wheels, give it a good rinse, then chamois it dry. And then apply a great wax job to it by hand or by buffer. All the hard to reach areas by hand, then the rest of it by buffer. It's going to be fantastic in the best way to protect your car. Then we buff it off with the buffer and by hand. And then dress the tires. You're gonna love your car again. And oh yeah, look at that shine. Just finish this one up. Look at that. Fantastic. And that's not all. We do power washing. We'll make those decks and fences look great again. You won't be embarrassed having your friends over for a barbecue. It's gonna look great. We even do the driveway. We also do staining and driveway sealing as well. Yep, we'll clean those eaves troughs if you needed. Rake up that dog shit in the spring. Rake up the leaves. We do it all. Even snow. Imagine that. Unbelievable.
So there you have it. As you can see, I do it all. I clean it all. Windows, carpets, cars, no matter what. So sit back and relax. Enjoy the spring weather while I come and do all the cleaning for you. Just give me a call.
Steve's cleaning.